Hello students, welcome to PVK chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Continuation of this IUPAC system of nomenclature, alcohols and ethers are discussed in this video. Alcohols. So, alcohols are the class of organic compounds containing OH as the functional group. OH as the functional group. The functional group is OH. Functional group OH. Representation. ROH. General molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. CnH2n plus 1 OH. The first member CH3, that is CH3OH. CH3OH. The molecular formula of the compound is CH4O. CH4O. It is represented as CH3OH. Common name of the compound, methyl alcohol. So, similar in the case of alkyl halides, alkyl alcohol, alkyl halide, alkyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. For writing the IUPAC name, from alkane, E is replaced by OL, alcohol, methanol, methanol, methanol. C2H6O, C2H6O, CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. How to write the structure of this compound? You look at the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Alcohols must having the functional group OH. So, CCOH. First you written like this, CCOH. We know that the valency of carbon is 4, therefore CH3. Here this carbon is surrounded by 2 bonds, therefore CH2 and OH. This is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name of the compound is ethanol, ethanol. C3H8O, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, N-propyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol, 1, 2, 3, carbon number 1, 2, 3. In the first carbon OH group is present, therefore 1-propanol, 1-propanol, CH3, CHOH, CH3, or this compound is written like this, CH3, CH3OH, both are same, CH3, CHOH, CH3 or CH3, CH3OH. Isopropyl alcohol, 2-propanol, 2-propanol, isopropyl alcohol, 2-propanol. Then C4H10O, C4H10O. Here 4 alcohols are possible, 1, 2, 3, 4 OH, C, COH, CC, C, CCOH, and another one CCOH. This is N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. You can substitute the hydrogen also. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. N-butyl, secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Tertiary, last one is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. How to write the IUPAC name of the compound? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon number 1 OH group is present. Therefore, 1-butanol. Here second carbon OH group is present. Therefore, 2-butanol. Here 1, 2, 3. Second carbon methyl group is present. Therefore, 2-methyl 1-propanol. 2-methyl 1-propanol. Predict the straight chain. Second carbon methyl group, second carbon OH. 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol. So, C4H10O. 4 different isomeric forms are possible. N-butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol. Suppose this alcoholic compounds also having double bonds. How to name these compounds? Listen, CH2 double bond CHOH. We know this is the vinyl group. Therefore, vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. IUPAC name of the compound is ethanol. Ethanol. Double bond is present. Therefore, ethanol. CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. Allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Here the functional group 1, 2, 3. So, totally 3 carbon atom. In between carbon number 2 and 3, double bond is present. 2-propan. Propan. Propene. Propan. 2-propan. 1-ol. 2-propan. 1-ol. So, all these compounds having only one OH groups. Therefore, they are called monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, carbon-carbon single bond present means aliphatic saturated alcohols. These two compounds are aliphatic unsaturated alcohols. Aliphatic unsaturated alcohols. Suppose one compound like this. How to name this compound? First, numbering the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third carbon OH group is present. Therefore, totally 5 carbon atoms. 3. Third carbon OH group is present. Therefore, 3. Fifth carbon, the parent hydrocarbon is pentanol. 3-pentanol. So IUPAC name of the compound 3-pentanol. Suppose one methyl group also present here, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reverse manner, it is numbering in the reverse order 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl 3 pentanol. 2 methyl 3 pentanol. The lowest sum rule is functioning here. 2 methyl 3 pentanol. These are the common and IUPAC name of monohydric alcohols. So what is dihydric alcohols? Suppose in the organic compound 2 OH groups are present. 2 OH groups are present means it is said to be dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. For the stability of the molecules, it is written in 2 different carbon atoms. 2 different carbon atoms. Dihydric alcohols. Two OH groups, CH2OH, CH2OH. So first member, ethylene glycol, ethylene glycol. What's the IUPAC name of the compound? Carbon number 1 and 2, 1 and 2, ethane, ethane. 1,2 diol, ethane 1,2 diol, IUPAC name of the compound. CH2OH, CHOH, CH3, propylene glycol. Here also numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3. Propane 1,2 diol, propane 1,2 diol, CH2OH, trimethylene glycol, trimethylene glycol, propane 1,3 diol, propane 1,3 diol. This is 1, 2, 3. Carbon number 1 and carbon number 3 OH groups are present. Therefore, this is said to be propane 1,3 diol, propane 1,3 diol. These are some examples of dihydric alcohols. So dihydric alcohols mostly end with the common name of glycols. Suppose 2 OH groups are present in the same carbon atom. These compounds are highly unstable. CH, OH, OH, CH3. OH groups are present in the same carbon atom means it is called gem diols. Gem diols. Ethane 1,1 diol. The compound is called ethane 1,1 diol. Gem diols. In some cases, suppose 3 OH groups are present. Therefore, the compounds are called as trihydric alcohols. The common example for trihydric alcohols are glycerol. Trihydric alcohols consist of 3 OH groups. The common example for trihydric alcohols are glycerol, CHOH, CH2OH. propane 1 2 3 triol. Propane 1 2 3 triol is a common example for trihydric alcohols. The common name of this compound is glycerol. IUPAC name of the compound is propane 1 2 3 triol. Propane 1 2 3 triol. Now ethers, functional group O, representation ROR dash. ROR dash. R and R dash group may be alkyl group or it may be aryl group. Suppose R is equal to R dash, it is called as simple or symmetrical ether. R not equal to R dash is a mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. General molecular formula CN H2N plus 2O. CN H2N plus 2O. You must know alcohols and ethers having the same molecular formula. Alcohols and ethers having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. Therefore, alcohols and ethers are functional isomers. Functional isomers. So, first remember C2H6O. It is represented like the COC. The functional group of ether is O. Therefore, it is represented as COC. We know that the valency of carbon is 4. Therefore, CH3, CH3. You know the name of the group also. CH3 is a methyl group. Methyl, methyl. Therefore, the common name of the compound is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Methyl, methyl. Dimethyl ether. For writing the IUPAC name, one of the smallest alkyl groups attached with oxygen is taken as the functional group. Smallest alkyl groups attached with the oxygen is taken as the functional group. Here both the alkyl groups are same. You can take any one of the alkyl group with the oxygen. So, methoxy. It is called methoxy. Remaining only one carbon is present. Therefore, the parent hydrocarbon methane. Methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. C3H8O. COCC. Or it is written like this CCOC. Both are same. COCC or CCOC. CH3, CH2, CH3. Here is a methyl group, here is a ethyl group. Therefore, ethyl, methyl ether. Ethyl, methyl ether. Here the smallest alkyl group is methoxy. Therefore, methoxyethane. 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 C4H10O. COCCC. CCOCC. CCOC. So, 3 isomeric compounds possible in the case of C4H10O. So, CH3, CH2 CH3. This is smallest alkyl groups, methoxy. Carbon number 3, 1, 2, 3. This is methyl, this is propyl. Methyl N-propyl ether. Methyl N-propyl ether. Carbon number 1 functional group is attached. Therefore, 1 methoxy. 1 methoxy. Here 3 carbon atoms are present. 1 methoxypropane. 1 methoxypropane. Here CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Ethyl, ethyl. Diethyl ether. So both alkyl groups are same. Ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. CH3, CH3. This group is called isopropyl group. Methyl isopropyl ether. Methyl isopropyl ether. Methyl isopropyl ether. Again numbering the carbon atoms. Here number 1, 2, 3. Second carbon alkyl group, functional group is attached. Therefore, it is called 2-methoxypropane. 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 So these are the some example for the common and IUPAC name of alkanes. So in this video we discuss the common nomenclature of IUPAC system of nomenclature of alcohols and ethers. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you have comment in the comment box. Thank you.